Welcome to the WebLedger. While client service and operational data are managed effectively, decision makers often struggle to find consolidated, insightful data. Time is spent doing this manually, leading to delays, errors, and inconsistent format. Here, we have just the right thing for you, a comprehensive reporting tool under the header of Report module. Let's get right into it. After you log into your account and select Reports from the functions available, this is the screen that pops up. Let's start with the client report. Click on the Client Report tab. Select a date from and to range. You can also filter it based on the service, the business category, or industry-wise segregation of your clients. Once you have selected a date range, click on the blue arrow. This refreshes the data for you. And here, you can use this to export the data as an Excel or as a PDF. Click on Export as PDF. Go to the History tab. Using the drop-down, select the Download option. There you go. You have a comprehensive report showcasing your client insights by industry. Let us move on to the task reports. Once we select the service name and the assigned user, you can also select the creation date of your task. Click on Show Results. After it shows the right results, you can choose to export this as a report. Following the similar format, click on Export Excel. Here you have an option to either export all the data or export only the filtered data. Click on Export Excel. Once the document is generated, you can use this to download and take decisions. Moving on to the attendance report. Select users out of the filter. Select a start and end date. Click on Show Result. This filters out the attendance for your selected user for the desired dates. Export report. Export as Excel. Go to History, drop down, select Download. You have the report ready in just minutes. For example, this is the extracted reports for attendance of user for the selected dates. There's a report section under the Reports tab which help you navigate through some default reports. For example, if you select the nature of business report, it helps you segregate your clients based on the same. There's an option in the right-hand corner where you can choose active clients or inactive clients for the same. Similarly, you can do this for industry report, service report, tag report. You can bifurcate your clients based on the revenue report as well, based on the reference, based on the group. If there's an outstanding from your client, there's a service-wise task report, there's a board-wise task report, and there's a user task summary report as well. For instance, if we try to export this as a file, you will be able to track all your users based on their tasks, if they're started, in progress, completed, or maybe overdue. This will help you run your business effectively and efficiently on a daily basis, make enhanced decisions, and do the right analytics that you require. Thank you for joining in at the WebLedger office.